Diane in Denmark here. Rah, rah, rah. Good morning. It is Monday, the 27th of February. I have been checking with you every single day this month. We're doing a daily declutter challenge, just looking for one item every day, seeing where it leads us. And we've got one day to go. And I hope you are bright-eyed and bushy-tailed this morning. I've been feeding our red garden squirrels, so we're all ready to go. And I've got a couple of things to show you today, and I've got a lot of things to show you from somebody else. Anyway, let's dive straight into it. Yesterday you saw a lot of suitcases were leaving the building, and thanks to everybody for the nice compliments about my outfit yesterday. The dungarees I was wearing, they were actually from a swap, one of our swap parties last year. Anyway, I found some other things in the basement. One of these cooler things that were in with my kind of picnic items, that I can let go of. I'm not going to use that again. And also quite a few plastic tubs that I've been holding on to, because sometimes when I go to Blue Tits or when I go to a potluck thing, I transport food, but actually I've got so many Tupperware ones. So I've kept a couple, but a lot of them are going. So just out in plastic recycling, and a little tray thing. So all that is going. Would you just look at this? Now, hubby, I didn't ask him. Yesterday, hubby went through the bookshelves here, and I'm going to move this before it all falls down. He went through his books, and look at that. Look at all these. And I just wanted to encourage you, once again, don't go decluttering somebody else's stuff. But if you declutter your own stuff and make it a regular thing, you will see that the rest of the family will follow suit. And you know, with family members, you can help them to declutter, you can encourage them, but please don't declutter their stuff. Here we are, one last pile. So all these are going. This one is going to the kids, but the rest will be going to friends of mine. And somebody commented on the video yesterday in the basement and said, oh, maybe you should declutter some of the books down there. Those are hubby's books, so I leave it to him, but look at that. Of his own free will, he went through the bookshelves here. So just a little reminder, don't declutter somebody else's stuff, but you can help, for example, the kids, do it on a regular basis, use the timer, make it fun for them, and just do it regularly, and that way they really get into the habit of things coming into the house and things leaving the house again. So what are you going to declutter today? Is it going to be books? Is it going to be games? Is it going to be clothes? As usual, like the video, subscribe, share with a friend, blah, 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 blah. And I'll see you tomorrow for the last day. Get your Kleenex out. And of course, we will be decluttering moving forward, but I just want to be checking with you every single day. So anyway, live long and prosper. May the decluttering hygge be with you. And I'll see you here tomorrow, Tuesday, last day, also my friend Vibke's birthday, with a rah, rah, rah. Okay, bye for now.